This single-serve apple crisp is made with just one apple and ready in minutes. Here's how you make it. Mix together 1 chopped apple, some sugar, little flour, cinnamon, and vanilla. Next, we're going to make the topping. Mix together some flour, oats, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Cut the softened butter into small pieces and add them to the bowl. And then blend in the butter with a fork or just use your fingers, which I find easier. Next, butter a 10-ounce ramekin and add the apples. Now scatter the topping over the apples. Bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Top with a little whipped cream if you like, and enjoy.